Alright everybody, we back for a part 2 at the Sam's, looking at some of these clothes. Let me show y'all the sales they got going. Alright, so if y'all want to be fresh and get something, basic but nice and clean and nice and presentable, I like the basic t-shirts, the different color t-shirts. Gap has them, Sam's has them with the Gap version for $12.98, sizes small through 2XL. Now that's a good deal for me. And these are really good quality, real nice, comfortable wash tee. And they have the straight fit 5-pocket pants. These are only $14.98, and because I need some khaki-like pants for work. So those are $14.98. They have different colors. They have multicolors: orange, green, like this heather gray / brown, green, blue, and black. They have the Lucky brand. Let me see how much the Lucky brand is. It seems like a decent material, but it looks a little dingy. I would prefer the Gap t-shirts. I actually bought me some last year, but it's actually kind of time for me to re-up. I'm not really familiar about this. Oh, this Coleman feels nice. Coleman is actually $10.98. It's actually cheaper than Gap. So let me see. And I like the pocket right here too. Have a nice little pocket. Plain t-shirts. Now the material does feel different. It doesn't feel as cool and soft as the Gap brand, but it does say 100% cotton, but it just feels a little bit more coarse. But it's still a decent looking t-shirt with a nice price for it. So y'all stay tuned as we continue to look at these deals. They even have some polos. Oh, they got express polos for the $19.98. Now, as far as this design, I don't really know. I probably could rock it. I probably could get away with it because it's like some different designs, like some holes in there, like it's like ripples or whatever, and the zipper. So I don't know. I would really have to try it on. I can't really tell just off looking at it. I don't really know. Now these look a little old manish to me, to be real. But unless I could probably rock and get away with it, depending on how I wear it. Yeah, so this is like a cardigan. Yeah, it's getting a little too warm for that, unless it's like an event or something. But yeah, different ones. They have Sperry collar. This is like more of a texture. It feels like a lightweight material. And this is only $14.98 as well. Let's see. And they have these, like some more dress pants. Jack's New York Flex button up. Now this is actually nice. This is actually decent. I like these designs. And that's for a nice price, decent price as well, $12.98. Now Members Mark has their own brand of performance polos. And this is only $9.98. So this is actually a pretty good deal as well. Very lightweight men's performance polo, like a golf polo, moisture wicking, UPFs, 50 sun protection, machine washable, classic